Hi, my name is Miriam Bogler and I am the founder and CEO of Project Pulse. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Questions tool. The Questions tool is one of the tools available for users in the workspace. Users can type up questions and the Questions tool frames the question with a question label that makes it clear that this is a question. The following are the steps to create a question. Find the Operations tool on the left. Select the Question tool, fourth tool from the top. Click on it. It will open a questions window, an Add Questions window. Type in your question. Press Create. The question will be dropped on the workspace. You can use the handles. If this is a very big question or a long question, you can use the handles to actually resize the question as you need it. Thanks, and I hope that this was helpful. Enjoy using Project Pulse.